how to make a miracle seed oil that is rich in antioxidant and some other antibacterial properties. This is a wonderful oil that you can use for your skin, hair, and for other health issues. So stay tuned. To make this oil, I'll be making use of black seed, spoons of black seed, antioxidant. It is a good source of iron, calcium, zinc, folic acid, and some other important nutrients. So I'm going to add the black seed into the blender. Then I will blend into a fine powder. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to add it into a clean jar. I'll be making use of two types of oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I will make use of grapeseed oil and mustard seed oil. So I will be adding the mustard seed oil, and also I will add the grapeseed oil. Then I will stir to mix properly. Stirring, you can cover it and wrap it up with towel or aluminium foil and leave it in your cupboard to sit for about 2 weeks. But if you want the oil faster, you can make use of the double boiler method, which I have a pot of water. I will add the jar, then I'll allow it to boil for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, I will remove from the heat and allow to cool before I will strain. So I'm going to strain to get the oil. Finally, the black seed oil is ready. This is a miracle oil that can cure over 200 diseases. Or you can decide to add it to your smoothie, yogurt, oatmeal, or anything you like. This is a wonderful seed oil that you can also apply to your scalp. Use it for your skin. If you have any skin condition, it is also helpful for constipation. It will regulate your blood sugar, improve your liver health, and so many other illness. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.